rendering or displaying a point cloud based on elevation. Often that's the best method for viewing the point cloud, particularly if the point cloud does not have any RGB values. We have a sample terrain that does not have RGB values, and we want to look at it based on uh, elevation or height. So let's go ahead, and we've already published this point cloud. We're going to go begin to work on the document, and we're going to look at our color type. This is where we would set height for the color type, and then we can go ahead and take a look at that. We'll save and publish, and then view our document. And at this point, this comes in. It's not very helpful at this point. So we need to adjust our height values. Do this from our sidebar. We'll go to our scene, and then we can look at the actual settings for this sample terrain, and we'll move around so we can get a little better view of that. Elevation is uh, uh, the rendering method that we've selected, and then we can begin to adjust our range, upper and lowered range, till we get this to where we want it, the way we'd like for it to look. That's really much better. So I know this is at 595 to 890, and then we can come over here to our document 595 to 890 and set our minimum and maximum elevation range. Save and publish, refresh our point cloud, and now we've actually saved those settings for our rendering purpose. And we can change those at any time we want and begin to work on that until we get it the way that we really want it to look. Another setting that we can change is the opacity, and just to give a feel for what that can look like, we can reset that. We'll get a very different view, different look in terms of the point cloud. That's an overview of how to render using elevation.